Right. First of all, we have to select the good quality of vegetables, such as cabbage or radish or any other leaves. Then we wash them first. Then we put in the very salty water. It's around 4% of salt water. Then we sprinkle extra salt. Then we leave it over the night, around 8 to 10 hours in the salt water. Then we have to rinse it 2 or 3 times in cold running water. Then leave it to be drained. Squeeze the extra water out. Then the seasoning. Meanwhile, we have to prepare a seasoning such as fish sauce, garlic, ginger, and the shredded radish, and extra salt, and the chili powder as well. And some people they put radish juice, some people they put the onion juice. It's up to you. But the main ingredient for the kimchi is the fish sauce. There are many different types of fish sauce, but mostly people are using anchovy sauce and shrimp paste, and salt, chili, garlic, and ginger. That is the main ingredient main and basic ingredient for the kimchi. But if you are vegan, you can just take the fish sauce out from the main. Like a fresh kimchi, you can eat straight away after you season it. And also, if you like well fermented kimchi, there are the few conditions. If your kitchen or room temperature around between 18 to 20 degrees, just leave it in your room temperature for 5 to 6 days. Then there will be well fermented. But you better move to the fridge for another couple of days. That will be perfectly fermented kimchi. But if you like middle fermentation, there's a medium fermented after 2-3 days time, just put in the fridge. Also, the shelf life of kimchi is normally up to 3 months in the fridge.